Hello everyone. So today we are discuss our topic that is a gene regulation. So first of all, what do you mean by regulation? Regulation means who control the process. Like if we are eating the food, then food is digest. Who control the digest? So such type of process are called regulations. And what do you mean by gene? Gene is basically a unit of genetics, unit of heredity, means who control and who help to transfer the message. So in gene regulation we are using the word how the messages are transferred. So first of all, in gene regulation we are using two type. First is a inducible and second is a repressor. Both things are going on in which both things are going on in gene regulations. So in gene regulation, what do you meaning by inducible and what do you meaning by repressor? Inducible, who induct, means if inducible is present, then all things are going smoothly. But if repressor is present, then all things are stopped. Like if inducible present, then we help to form mRNA, protein and sugars also. But if repressor present, then presence of repressor, no mRNA, no protein, no sugar. But in the absence of repressor, all things present, like mRNA present, sugar present, protein present. So we are studying about inducible. So how inducible is present and how inducible doing the process. So first of all we are discuss gene regulations with lag operon. So in word is a lag. So what do you mean by lag? Here lag represent to lactose sugar, but operon, what do you mean by operon? Operon is a gene who control different types of genes, means who carry different type of genes, like it carry also promoter, operator, structural gene as well as a regulatory gene. But if we are using the word, what is the use of lactose? Lactose is a sugar who help to conduct the process. So now we are first of all writing draw the diagram of structural unit of which presence of lag operon. So we are writing here P represent to promoter, after then RG. Here RG is a regulatory gene. Here for RG also we have to write I, means inducible, after then again P promoter, then O operator, after then Z, Y and A. Three types of structural gene. So what do you mean by P? P means promoter gene. Promoter, who promote. We always writing the word that our child is promoting the class. We are promoting the classes. Why? Because promoter who promote the sections, means who motivate us, is a promoter. Operator, who operate the process. If operator present, means all things is going smoothly. But what do you mean by RG? RG is a regulatory gene. Regulatory, regulate karna, means who control the process. But what do you mean by ZYA? ZYA is a structural gene. So guys, structural gene means who help to form mRNA, who help to form protein and who help to break the lactose sugar with the help of different types of enzymes. So we are going to express first of all presence of lag operon. But if lag operon present, then what happen? If lag operon present, then we are using the word that switch on. Why? Because lag operon present. If lag operon off, then switch off. So first of all we are using the word presence of lag operon. So if lag operon presence, then one key point is there, then RG is inactive. So if RG is inactive, then proteins are also there as well as mRNA are also there. But if Rg active, then what happen? Then no protein and no mRNA. Okay, so we have to understand the logic of presence of Rg active and Rg inactive. So we are using the word lac operon on. If lac operon on, so it is a message that presence and absence. Here the message is lac operon present. So the message conducted by the help of mRNA. Why? Because mRNA is a messenger RNA who help to carry the message. So mRNA carry the message that lac is present. So mRNA carry message lac present, then Rg is automatically inactive. So our message transfer to again promoter. After then promoter to message transfer to operator. Then promoter operator is smoothly. But what is the functions of structural genes? So structural genes we have discussed that structural genes help to form different types of proteins and mRNA. So here we are labeled first of all Z. Z represent to beta galactosidase enzyme. A's were always for enzymes. After then Y represent to transpermease enzyme. After then again A represent to trans-acetylase enzyme. Okay, so here we are labeled if promoter present means lac operon on, then mRNA carries message to promoter. Promoter help to transfer the message structural gene. So here structural gene Z form beta galactosidase. So beta galactosidase enzyme help to break the lactose sugar. So here lactose sugar break down into glucose as well as galactose. Means beta galactosidase help to break lactose. If lactose is break down, then two types of substances are formed. First is glucose and second is galactose. After then, what is the functions of Y? Here Y form to transpermease. So transpermease enzyme, again ACE means enzyme. So enzyme transpermease form mRNA. So mRNA help to again that transfer the message to structural gene A. So here A help to form trans-acetylase. So trans-acetylase help to form protein. So if we are using the word lac operon, means in presence of lac operon, that means switch are on. If switches is on, then mRNA who help to carry the message the presence of mRNA यानी कि presence of lac operon. So if lac operon present, so mRNA help to transfer the message to promoter and promoter help to transfer the message to operator. After that operator help to transfer the message to ZYA. So here ZYA are the structural genes. So structural gene Z help to form beta galactosidase. So here beta galactosidase help form galactose sugar, means lactose break down into two substances. First is glucose and next one is galactose. After that, if we are using the word Y form transpermease. So transpermease enzyme formed mRNA. mRNA means translation. So if we are using the word A represent to trans-acetylase enzyme. So trans-acetylase enzyme formed protein. So such type of process means if lac present, then lactose breakdown, after that mRNA form, or after that protein form. Such type of things are going on if lac operon is present. But if lac operon is absent, means lack of neuron absence, then the switches are off. If switches is off, then no mRNA, no protein, nothing. Why? Because that time RG means regulatory gene is active. So here RG we are writing the word I. So here I represent to inducible, who work as the inhibitor, means who help to break the process, who help to stop the process. So if RG active, then no protein, no mRNA. Why? Because in that time no lactose sugar is present. So we are using the word gene regulation by the help of lag operon. So here two types. Inducible we are explaining why, because inducible is a lag operon. But if we are using the word repressor, means who break the process, who stop the process. So repressor is a tripoperon. So it is a tryptophan operon or tripoperon. But is inducible is a lag operon. So this is our topic of gene regulation with the help of lag operon. Thank you for listening me.